let's look at changing these word phrases into actual equations. I'm going to have to duck. We have to duck a lot here. So we're using what we did in the last lesson here. 4 more than some number is 20. Think of that is as being an equal sign. And then use what you learned in the last lesson. We have x plus 4 equals 20. And then we can go ahead and work this out. We can subtract 4 from both sides, leaving us with x equals 16. So we take this word sentence and change it into an equation. "55 is 11 less than an unknown number." So we start out 55 equals y minus 11. Now we can work this, add 11 to both sides. We're going to get y on one side by itself, so we get y equals 66. Okay, more things coming here. Not to duck. Okay, the product of some number and 5 is 105. 5x equals 105. Now we can divide both sides by 5, so we get just x on one side by itself. So we get x equals 21. The quotient of a number in 15 is 30. So in this case, we'll get y over 15 equals 30. Now we can multiply 15 times both sides to clear the fractions, and we get y equals 450. "34 more than an unknown number is 52.3. X plus 34 equals 52.3. Subtract 34 from both sides, and we get x equals 18.3. "81 is 4.5 less than a certain number." 81 equals y minus 4.5. Add 4.5 to both sides, and we get y equals 85.5. A certain number times 72 is 691.2. Now we got some big numbers to work with here. 72b equals 691.2. Divide 72 into both sides. Might need your calculator on this one. b equals 9.6. The quotient of a number and 3.2 is 15. So we got a over 3.2 equals 15. Now multiply 3.2 times both sides to clear our fractions, and we'll get a equals 48. This looks like our last problem coming here. This is a little bit tricky. Twice the sum of 38 and a certain number is 158. Well, the sum of 38 and a certain number, that goes in the parentheses. We have distributive property here. So 2 times the quantity 38 plus y equals 158. Now, let's take and multiply through, And then you see, have to subtract 76 from both sides. And then we'll have to divide through by 2. And we'll end up with y equals 41. Thank you.